Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen won't turn on in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on reset device settings and click on again reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on erase all data factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, your picture, video, photo will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix screen won't turn on in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.